To get started, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about Gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience. And this is the best guide available anywhere in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial, investment, or tax advice, consult a financial, investment, or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. Okay, let's start the audiobook. What is a Gold Roth IRA? Precious Metals IRA Accounts Gold IRA, your comprehensive guide to golden retirement security. In an era of economic uncertainty, fluctuating stock markets, and the ever-present spectre of inflation, savvy investors are increasingly seeking refuge in tangible assets. Among these, gold, the timeless symbol of wealth and stability, has emerged as a particularly compelling option for diversifying retirement portfolios. But simply acquiring physical gold isn't always the most tax-advantageous way to incorporate it into your long-term financial plan. This is where the Gold Roth IRA, also known as a Precious Metals IRA or simply Gold IRA, steps into the spotlight. This comprehensive guide will delve deep into the world of Gold Roth IRAs, unpacking what they are, how they work, their myriad benefits, potential considerations, and why they might be the golden ticket to a more secure and prosperous retirement. We will cut through the jargon, clarify any confusion, and illuminate why a Gold Roth IRA could be a powerfully strategic addition to your investment arsenal, especially when viewed through the lens of a Roth IRA's unique tax advantages. Understanding the building blocks, Roth IRAs and Gold IRAs separately. Before we weave them together into the powerful instrument that is the Gold Roth IRA, let's first understand the individual components. 1. The Roth IRA, your ticket to tax-free retirement withdrawals. At its core, a Roth IRA is a retirement savings account that offers a unique and incredibly attractive tax benefit: tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Unlike traditional IRAs, where you get a tax deduction on your contributions but pay taxes on withdrawals in retirement, the Roth IRA flips the script. Here's the breakdown of the key features of a Roth IRA. Contributions are made with after-tax dollars. You contribute money that you've already paid taxes on. Growth is tax-deferred. Your investments within the Roth IRA grow tax-deferred, meaning you don't pay taxes on the earnings each year. Qualified withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. This is the crown jewel of the Roth IRA. As long as you meet certain requirements, typically being age 59 and a half or older and having the account for at least 5 years, all qualified withdrawals, including both contributions and earnings, are completely tax-free. This is an enormous advantage, especially if you anticipate being in a higher tax bracket in retirement than you are now. Flexibility with contributions. You generally have the flexibility to withdraw your contributions, but not earnings, from a Roth IRA at any time, tax-free and penalty-free. This can provide a safety net for unexpected expenses. Contribution limits. The IRS sets annual contribution limits for Roth IRAs, which can vary each year. It's crucial to stay within these limits to avoid penalties. There are also income limitations for contributing to a Roth IRA. Why is the Roth IRA so attractive? The Roth IRA is particularly appealing for young investors, those in lower tax brackets early in their careers who anticipate earning more in the future and thus potentially being in a higher tax bracket in retirement. Locking in tax-free growth now can be incredibly beneficial over the long term. Individuals expecting higher future tax rates. If you believe tax rates will increase in the future, a Roth IRA allows you to pay taxes now at potentially lower rates and enjoy tax-free withdrawals later, regardless of how high tax rates climb. Those seeking tax diversification, having a mix of Roth, after-tax, and traditional pre-tax retirement accounts can provide valuable tax diversification in retirement, giving you more control over your tax situation as your needs and tax laws evolve. 2. The Gold IRA. Diversification and inflation protection with precious metals. Now let's turn our attention to the Gold IRA or Precious Metals IRA aspect. Traditionally, IRAs are invested in conventional assets like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. However, the IRS allows for self-directed IRAs, which provide greater investment flexibility, including the ability to hold alternative assets such as precious metals. A Gold IRA is essentially a self-directed IRA specifically designed to hold physical gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. It allows you to invest in these precious metals while still enjoying the tax advantages of an IRA. Key features of a Gold IRA. Self-directed IRA. Gold IRAs are a type of self-directed IRA, meaning you have more control over the investments allowed within the account. This contrasts with traditional IRAs offered by brokerage firms, which typically restrict investments to stocks, bonds, and funds. Physical precious metals. Unlike gold ETFs or mining stocks, a Gold IRA holds physical precious metals. These can be in the form of gold bars, gold coins, silver bars, silver coins, platinum bars, platinum coins, palladium bars, and palladium coins, but they must meet specific IRS purity standards. Custodian and depository required. The IRS mandates that precious metals within an IRA must be held by an IRS-approved custodian and stored in a secure, IRS-approved depository. You cannot store the gold yourself at home or in a safe deposit box. This is crucial for maintaining the tax-advantaged status of the IRA. Specialized setup. Setting up a Gold IRA involves working with a custodian that specializes in precious metals IRAs and a reputable precious metals dealer to purchase the metals. Why invest in precious metals within an IRA? The primary reasons investors choose to include precious metals in their retirement portfolios, and particularly within an IRA, center around diversification and hedging. Diversification beyond traditional assets. Precious metals often have a low or even negative correlation with stocks and bonds. This means that when traditional markets decline, precious metals can sometimes hold their value or even increase, providing a buffer against market volatility and enhancing portfolio diversification. Inflation hedge. Gold is often considered a hedge against inflation. Historically, gold has tended to perform well during periods of rising inflation, as its intrinsic value is not tied to any particular currency and it retains its purchasing power over time. As inflation erodes the value of paper currency, the demand for and price of gold often rise. Safe haven asset. In times of geopolitical instability, economic uncertainty, or market turmoil, gold is viewed as a safe haven asset. Investors flock to gold seeking a store of value and a hedge against systemic risk. Tangible asset. Gold and other precious metals are tangible assets. Unlike stocks or bonds, which are essentially pieces of paper representing ownership or debt, precious metals are physical commodities with inherent value recognized globally. This tangibility can be reassuring in uncertain times. Long-term value preservation. Gold has historically maintained its value over extremely long periods, acting as a reliable store of wealth across generations. This makes it attractive for long-term retirement planning. The Gold Infusion, the Gold Roth IRA, unleashing tax-free growth and secure diversification. Now comes the exciting part, combining the tax advantages of the Roth IRA with the diversification and security benefits of precious metals. A Gold Roth IRA allows you to hold physical gold and other precious metals within a Roth IRA structure. Here's how the magic happens. You leverage the self-directed IRA framework to establish a Roth IRA specifically designed to hold precious metals. You contribute after-tax dollars to this Roth IRA, and then, through your custodian, you purchase IRS-approved gold and other precious metals. These metals are then securely stored in an IRS-approved depository. The powerhouse combination, benefits unveiled. The Gold Roth IRA offers a compelling suite of benefits that make it a highly attractive option for strategic retirement planning. Tax-free growth and withdrawals on gold's potential appreciation. This is the ultimate benefit. If gold prices appreciate over time, as many experts predict they will, especially given current economic trends, all of that appreciation within your Gold Roth IRA is tax-free upon qualified withdrawal in retirement. Imagine the potential for compounded tax-free growth on your gold holdings over decades. This is a monumental advantage compared to holding gold outside of a tax-advantaged account, where you would be subject to capital gains taxes. Diversification and portfolio protection. As discussed earlier, gold provides crucial diversification to your overall portfolio, helping to mitigate risk and potentially stabilize returns, particularly during periods of market volatility or economic downturn. Incorporating gold within your Roth IRA enhances this diversification strategy. Inflation and dollar debasement hedge, tax-free. Gold's inherent ability to act as an inflation hedge is amplified within a Roth IRA. As inflation rises and erodes the purchasing power of the dollar and potentially the real value of other assets, your gold holdings can act as a bulwark, preserving your wealth. And because it's in a Roth IRA, any gains from this inflation hedge are also tax-free in retirement. Safe haven security, tax-advantaged. In uncertain times, the safe haven appeal of gold becomes even more potent within a Roth IRA. You gain the security of holding a tangible asset that often performs well during crises, and you enjoy the tax shelter of the Roth structure. Long-term wealth preservation. Tax-free legacy. A Gold Roth IRA is an excellent tool for long-term wealth preservation. Gold's historical resilience and enduring value, coupled with the Roth IRA's tax-free growth and withdrawal benefits, creates a powerful combination for building a secure financial legacy for yourself and potentially for future generations. Your heirs can inherit the assets in your Roth IRA, potentially enjoying continued tax-free growth and withdrawals depending on beneficiary rules. Tangible ownership and peace of mind. For many investors, owning physical gold provides a sense of security and control that paper assets may lack. Knowing that you have a portion of your retirement savings held in tangible physical gold, stored securely in your name, can offer significant peace of mind in an increasingly digital and volatile world. Potential for outperformance in specific market conditions. While past performance is never a guarantee of future results, history suggests that gold can outperform other asset classes during certain economic cycles, such as periods of high inflation, currency debasement, or geopolitical instability. A Gold Roth IRA positions you to potentially capitalize on such periods, with the added benefit of tax-free gains. Is a Gold Roth IRA right for you? Deciding whether a Gold Roth IRA is a suitable investment for you depends on your individual financial situation, risk tolerance, investment goals, and overall retirement strategy. A Gold Roth IRA might be a particularly good fit if you are a long-term investor. Gold is often viewed as a long-term hold, and the tax benefits of a Roth IRA are most pronounced over longer time horizons, allowing for compounded tax-free growth. Are concerned about inflation and economic uncertainty. If you are worried about rising inflation, dollar debasement, or geopolitical instability, a Gold Roth IRA can provide a tangible hedge and safe haven asset. Seek diversification beyond traditional assets. If you want to diversify your retirement portfolio beyond stocks and bonds and reduce your portfolio's correlation to mainstream markets. Desire tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement. If the prospect of tax-free withdrawals on potentially significant gold appreciation in retirement is appealing to you, have a portion of your portfolio dedicated to alternative or tangible assets. If you believe in incorporating alternative assets like precious metals into your overall investment mix, are comfortable with the fees and nuances of self-directed IRAs, you should be prepared to manage the slightly more complex administration and fee structure associated with gold IRAs compared to traditional IRAs. How to establish a Gold Roth IRA, a step-by-step overview. Setting up a Gold Roth IRA involves a specific process. Choose a custodian specializing in precious metals IRAs. Research and select a reputable custodian that specializes in self-directed IRAs and specifically handles precious metals. Compare fees, storage options, and customer service. Open a self-directed Roth IRA account. Complete the necessary paperwork to open a Roth IRA account with your chosen custodian. Ensure it is specifically designated for precious metals. Fund your Roth IRA account. You can fund your Gold Roth IRA by contributing directly up to annual contribution limits, or by rolling over or transferring funds from an existing IRA, 401k, or other retirement account. Rollovers and transfers can maintain the tax-advantaged status of the funds. Select a reputable precious metals dealer. Work with a reputable precious metals dealer who is familiar with Gold IRA requirements and can help you purchase IRS-approved gold and other precious metals. Many custodians have preferred dealer networks. Purchase IRS-approved precious metals. With guidance from your dealer and custodian, choose and purchase the IRS-approved physical precious metals you want to hold within your Roth IRA. Secure storage at an IRS-approved depository. Your custodian will arrange for the secure, insured storage of your precious metals at an IRS-approved depository. The metals will be held in your IRA's name. Conclusion: gilding your retirement with a Gold Roth IRA. In conclusion, a Gold Roth IRA offers a compelling and potentially powerful strategy for enhancing your retirement portfolio. By combining the tax-free growth and withdrawal advantages of a Roth IRA with the diversification, inflation protection, and safe haven qualities of gold and other precious metals, you can create a retirement savings vehicle with exceptional long-term security and growth potential. While it's crucial to understand the associated fees, storage requirements, and market considerations, the unique benefits of a Gold Roth IRA, especially the potential for tax-free gains on gold's appreciation, make it a highly attractive option for investors seeking to safeguard their financial future and build a truly golden retirement. Before making any investment decisions, it is always advisable to consult with a qualified financial advisor who can assess your individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and retirement goals to determine if a Gold Roth IRA aligns with your overall financial plan. However, for those seeking robust diversification, inflation protection, and the unique tax advantages of a Roth IRA applied to the enduring value of precious metals, the Gold Roth IRA presents a compelling and increasingly relevant investment avenue in today's complex economic landscape. Consider exploring whether this golden opportunity could be the key to securing your financial independence and a truly prosperous retirement. Also, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about Gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience, and this is the best guide available anywhere, in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial, investment, or tax advice, consult a financial, investment, or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. This is the end of this audiobook. I hope you enjoyed this and found it valuable. I would really appreciate it if you could please share this with everyone you know and leave a positive review for me. So again, I would really appreciate it if you could please share this with everyone you know and leave a positive review for me. All the best to you.